Brianna from the SA Pro team, and today I'm going to be showing you how I get my eyebrows from this to this. To start, I'm going to comb through my brows with a mascara wand. Next, I'm applying the eyebrow gel in shade 16 with my 31T brush. Using this brush is going to give a really defined and sharp finish to my brows. I'm filling in my brows starting at the bottom and moving my brush upwards towards the arch. As I am outlining my shape first, it's going to give a really defined look. As you can see, I'm changing the direction of my brush to fill in the tip of my brow. Then I start to fill in the top, heading towards the arch, and again changing my brush direction to complete the tip. I'm now feathering the product through the brow using small strokes, but avoiding getting too much product at the start of the brow. Next, I'll be applying a powder to the start of the brow with my 17TL brush for a more blended and soft finish. This is how you create an ombre effect. Now I'll be cleaning up around my brows with the under eye concealer in 97 and my 22T concealer brush for a crisp effect. You can also use a lighter shade to highlight under the brows. Hope you enjoyed this eyebrow tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to Inglot Australia.